You guys, is it focusing? I fucked my hair up. I fucked it up. First of all, I fucked my hair up by trying to bleach my hair myself. I processed my hair twice. I know I should have done it a third time, but I was too scared because I didn't want my hair to just melt off my head and fall off. I was too scared that my hair was gonna break at that line. So right now I have a straight blunt, like a blunt cut line. How the fuck you say it? I have a straight line like on my hair where you can see where my hair is more platinum on the bottom and up it's just really golden. So there's no like how you say it? Transition. It doesn't like just transition into like the other color. It just bam bam. Okay, and then I tried to dye my hair purple with Ion Purple. Not lavender, but purple. What I did was I used a quarter of the tube. After I used a quarter of the tube, I filled the whole, like the little plastic bowl, I filled the whole shit up with conditioner. Put it in my hair. It just barely, like, it toned my hair. Like, it kind of toned my hair out a little bit. Not a little bit, a lot. Not a lot. It toned my hair, okay? And if I were to add a little bit of blue, like a little blue hair dye to that purple mix, it probably would have toned my hair out a little more. But I was actually trying to dye my hair like a pastel purple. But of course, my hair is so golden up here, it didn't even fucking do anything. So anyways, what I did yesterday was I got the lavender, Ion Lavender, the whole tube. I squeezed it out. You know what I mean? I squeezed the whole tube out. And I add about 3 tablespoons of conditioner because the shoe was so thick. It was just so thick, dude, that it was too thick. It wouldn't even fucking go into my hair. So then I used the whole tube, and what I did was I didn't even have enough for all my hair. Let me show you guys. I didn't have enough for all my hair. What I did was I barely had enough for just like the top part of my hair. The back part is right here, down here. And then I didn't even have enough to do all my top part of my hair either, because I'm sorry, there's a mirror that's right behind my, look into the mirror. About like this much. This much of my hair didn't get touched by the lavender because I didn't have enough. So anyways, I whipped it up, whatever, dyed my hair purple, left it in for about 30 minutes. And just let me let you guys know, I didn't take the purple dye and put it like all the way down my hair. I just take the purple, lavender, whatever the fuck, the lavender, and I just slapped it on to where the dark pieces were and left the blonde bits alone. And what I actually done was, after I slapped the purple on top right here, I just, you know, grabbed my hair and like kind of like rubbed it in a little bit like this, you know, just to get a little purple in there too or whatever. And my son said my hair looks like a fucking brown. My hair looks brown now. Dude, I fucked my shit up. I fucked my hair up, dude. My shit looks like... Let's go outside so I can really show you guys.
Well, what?
What does my hair look like?
It's brown.
It's brown?
Yes.
It's not purple?
No, it's not.
You don't know your color.
I do know my color. That ain't purple.
Let me go outside and show everybody my hair. Let's go outside. Okay, I'm not going outside because it's too fucking hot. But this is what it did to my hair. This is what it did to my hair. It didn't really dye it. Let's go more. Let me open this blinds up. I need to show y'all. I get pissed off when people don't do. They're trying to show their hair, but they don't even fucking show it in the sunlight. We want to see that shit in the light. Let me show you what it did to my hair. This is what it did. Let me show you guys the part where it's not purple. This is where I dyed it purple. And this part right here is where it didn't have no purple because I didn't have enough to dye this part. See, my son said that my golden parts turn more of a brown, but this side looks more like a golden, like orange golden, you know, like a honey blonde, and the other side just looks like a brown. It is too fucking hot. It's too hot. So I basically fucked my hair up. Trying to dye it purple, but it wouldn't fucking go, dude. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm going, ooh, it actually did tone my hair pretty good. What? It did tone it pretty good. Shit. Wait a minute. My hair looks less, oh yeah, whoa. Well, anywho, what I was thinking about doing was, it looks less orange looking in person than it does in this camera. What I was thinking about doing is, I have 3 bottles of lavender because I was going to finish my rest of my hair. But then I was like, you know what? Take them bottles of lavender back, bitch. I think what I'm going to do is get 1 lavender, 1 purple, and get like a blue hair dye and mix the lavender and purple tubes together. And then get the blue hair dye and add a little bit of that into there to make it like a violet blue, kind of like a T14 violet blue, and try to dye my hair with that. Not the lighter pieces, but just like the golden parts, you know. But I might just get the lavender and just throw it all over my hair, or get the. We're gonna see. Hope this video could help someone out. Toodles, peace out, and happy. Toodles, peace out, and happy trails.